Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Civic AC compressor. First, safety is paramount, so always have the refrigerant professionally evacuated from your system. Next, gather your tools including 10, 12, and 14 millimeter sockets, a 19 millimeter wrench, and a torque wrench. You will also need new O-rings and PAG oil. Finally, safely raise your vehicle using a hydraulic jack and secure it on jack stands for access. Now, let's begin by disconnecting the electrical connector located on top of the AC compressor. Next, use a 10 millimeter socket to remove the bolts securing the high and low pressure lines, and be sure to replace the O-rings on these lines. Then, locate the serpentine belt tensioner and use a 19 millimeter wrench to loosen it. This will allow you to carefully remove the serpentine belt from around the compressor pulley. With the lines and belt detached, it's time to remove the old compressor. Use a 12 millimeter socket to unbolt the 4 mounting bolts that secure the compressor to the engine. Once all bolts are removed, carefully wiggle and maneuver the old compressor out of its mounting location. Now, position your new AC compressor into place, aligning it with the mounting bracket. Reinstall the 4 12 millimeter bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. To finish up, reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it's properly routed, and tighten the tensioner. Reconnect the high and low pressure AC lines, using new O-rings, and plug in the electrical connector. It is highly recommended to replace the receiver dryer or desiccant filter at this stage. Finally, take your vehicle to a qualified technician to properly evacuate the system and recharge it with the correct amount of refrigerant, typically around 15 ounces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.